Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to set custom ringtone and Google Messages. I want you to make sure that you have the last version of Google Messages. You can make sure by going into Google Play Store or by going into the App Store. It depends on which phone you have. So after that, I want you to go into your Google Messages, tap on it, and then I want you to go into your profile picture on the top right corner. And after that, I want you to go into the second last option, messages settings. Okay, tap on it, and right here you will be able to see multiple options. I want you to go into the second one, notifications, tap on it, and right here you will have so much or multiple settings to be to turn them on, off, or to adjust them, or to customize them. I want you to go into the default settings section, and right here you can see incoming messages. So by tapping on it, you will see the sound option right here. So tap on it, and then from here you can set up your ringtones of this option. So you can choose one and apply it to the incoming messages, and also you can do the same thing to for example, the messages for web, right? And then sounds, the same steps. And also let's go into the other spam protection. For example, you will have that option right here, and also it's the same for every option right here. And as you can see, it's so easy and so simple to be done and to be completed, guys. Anyways, guys, that's the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.